Yeah, we're in Lafayette, Louisiana, Acadiana, and doing a Roof Maxx job here. We've been in a dealer since 2020, and we're growing, and we're taking over New Orleans, and things are good. We're blessed. So here in Louisiana, we're getting pounded by these hurricanes, these natural disasters. Insurance is extremely expensive. It's hard to get insurance at an affordable rate. People being dropped. Deductibles are now 3%, 4%, 5%. When this natural event comes through, if you have damage, you're paying for this roof. So Roof Maxx is important to help preserve these roofs. We heard about this woman through an association that we've worked with, and we just wanted to do our part to help her out. Yeah, so this roof was about, I want to say 13, 14 years old. When we first looked at it, it was very brittle. There's some shingles missing. We did a pliability test. We qualified the roof to make sure we can spray it and treat it with Roof Maxx. We came in and did what's called the tune-up, and we replaced a couple of shingles, caulked a bunch of screws, some holes, some nails, and then we treated it with Roof Maxx. So with this Roof Maxx treatment, we're going to give this roof at least another 5 years. It's going to be more pliable. The granules are going to stick to it more. So we're excited about that.